Hey crafter, I'm glad you're here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make my full sheet print and cut stickers with my Cricut. I am going to ask you to bear with me through these first few steps as my laptop will not allow screen recording. Open Google Drive and go to your shared files. Then click on Angel SVGs and then Stickers for Angels. Right-click on each sticker you'd like to make and download it. Here I show moving my file from the download folder into my file that's just for angel stickers. Open Design Space and upload your stickers into Design Space one by one. You'll click on Complex Image, then hit Continue, and save as a print and cut. Click on Shapes and add a square. Unlock it, change the dimensions to 6.75 by 9.25. Arrange all the stickers onto the shape, hide the shape, and attach all the stickers together. Click on Make It and toggle on the Systems Dialog. Here I'm showing you how if the stickers are not attached, when you go to make it, it will actually try to print on 2 sheets of label paper. So attaching them all in place will save you a lot of paper. You can totally skip this step if you're okay with having matte stickers, but if you would like them to be glossy, you'll want to measure and cut the clear vinyl to fit inside the black border. This ensures that the Cricut will easily be able to read those black lines for perfect print and cut. To apply the clear vinyl to your sticker sheet, you'll want to pull the backing away from the clear vinyl, line it up inside the borders, and then I usually flip the sheet over onto the part that's already onto the label paper and pull the backing off as the front of the vinyl slides onto the sheet. And then you'll use the Brayer tool behind that to smooth out any lumps or bubbles or creases. Set your material settings to premium outdoor vinyl with more pressure and cut twice before unloading your mat. Unload your mat, flip it over, and carefully remove your sticker sheet. Then all that's left is to trim the border around the stickers, and this is totally optional, but I don't really like having those dark lines on my sticker sheet, so I just trim them off.